Good morning to GTRM GDC Eraguntla students, second BCom students. I am explaining the income tax subject. We are going to the third unit, income from house property. I am explaining the problem solution. So please note down the problem. So first we draw the table particulars, inner column total rupees and outer column total rupees. So first we take the side heading, that is the first we put the side heading income from house property. So next in table particulars total rupees and particulars total rupees. So first we take the MRV, that is the municipal rental value. So in problem there is a annual municipal rental value is 2,40,000. We put in the inner column 2,40,000 and we take the fair rental value FRV. That amount is 3 lakhs. When we compare the both two amounts, we take the high of the both. So 2,40,000 and 3 lakhs, the highest amount is 3 lakhs. Next we compare with the standard rental value. In problem, they are given the standard rental value SRV is 2,64,000. We compare with the 3 lakhs, we take the lowest of the both amounts, that is the 2,64,000. Next we compare with the ARV, that is the actual rental value. So there is some adjustment. So we put in the inner column ARV is the 3 lakhs minus rent rot received for 1 month, that is the 3,000. We less from 3 lakhs, we got the 2,97,000. So when we compare with the 2,64,000 with 2,97,000, we take the highest of the both. So that is the highest amount is 2,97,000. That is the gross value. 2,97,000 is the gross value. Once again, first we take the MRV, we compare with the FRV. So 2,40,000 and 3 lakhs, we take the highest amount, that is the 3 lakhs. Next we compare with the SRV, that is the 2,64,000. We take the lowest amount, 2,64,000. Next we compare with the ARV. So there is the adjustment in ARV. So ARV is 3 lakhs minus rent not received 3,000. We take the 2,97,000. When we compare the 2,64,000 with 2,97,000, we take the highest amount, that is the 2,97,000. It is the gross value. Next we goes. So when we got the gross value 2,97,000, we deduct the municipal taxes. The municipal taxes is given in the problem. That amount is 2,40,000. We deduct from the gross value 2,97,000 minus municipal taxes 2,40,000. We got the amount net value, that is the 57,000. So once gross value 2,97,000 minus the municipal taxes 2,40,000, we got the net value 57,000. There is the sum deduction of the income from house property, that is the minus section 24 deductions. So that is the first one is the standard deduction 30% on net value. So First one is the standard deduction of 30% in net value. So net value is 57,000 into 30 by 100. So 30% is 57,000 into 30 by 100. We got the 17,100. We put in the inner column 17,100. Next we take the interest on construction of house loan. It is given in the problem. Interest on construction of house loan. That is the amount 18,000. This 18,000 is given in the problem. So when we add the both 30% deduction standard deduction 17,100 and interest on house loan construction 18,000, we add the both, we get the amount 35,100. We deduct from the net value 57,000 minus 35,100. We get the amount 21,900. That is the income from house property, 21,900. That is the answer. So please note the problem. Thank you.